here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to teach you a way to bust through some of your scrappy strips and strings to make this cute little block. The quilt behind me gives you one option for a layout, and it has many more. If you're looking for more string block options, make sure to visit my blog. I'll put a link in the description below so that you can find more ways to use your scrappy strips. Remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. For this scrap busting strip block, we're going to start sewing our strips together. So we'll just put them, I'm just using random size. You're welcome to be conforming and have all your strips the same size. I just have a random strip spin that's often overflowing, so I'm always looking for ways to use up those strips. So I don't worry if my strips are not the same length, because I can just switch out other strips as one runs out. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take two strips, put them right sides together, and sew a 1/4 inch along the edge. Once you get that seam sewn, you're going to set the seam by placing the iron down and just pressing along that seam, and then you will flip it back and press toward one side. I press toward the darker. And we're just going to choose another strip, and we're going to sew that on, and you continue adding strips until you reach 10.5 inches or a little bit more, because we can always trim down, but we need it to be at least 10.5 inches. Once you get a strip set that's at least 10.5 inches, we're going to square up this edge and then subcut it into 3.5 inch sets. And where this one was little, I will just take that out, sew something on either end, and sew them together and just keep going. Next, we'll sew a 1.5 by 10.5 inch strip on either side of our strip set. Once we have the white or whatever color you choose on the two sides of your strip set, next we're going to take a 5-inch square and we're going to cut it on the diagonal. Then you're going to find the center of your strip set and the center of the triangle here. We're going to put that on, and then we'll do the same thing on this side. Once you get those triangles sewn on, you're going to want to find your center here. Then we're going to square up our block to 7.5 inches. We're going to make sure our 7.5 inch mark is right here on the edge, and also up here on this edge, and then we'll square that up. And just turn it, flip it, and square it up again. And that will give you your block, and you'll just rinse and repeat. You can play with different layouts like the one I had behind me at the beginning of the video. Have fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.